Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create the Wednesday spotlight effect, a dark cinematic transformations inspired by Wednesday Addams herself. It's a moody, chaotic, and serious and seriously dramatic. And the best part, you can make it instantly using Google Gemini's brand new Nano Banana tool. Okay, let's dive in. First, just open Google Gemini and then you can open it through your browser or you can open it through the app like this, and then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to access the Nano Banana, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is the new AI image editor from Google that lets you edit photo instantly with just a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. It can be a selfie or a studio shot. Just make sure the lighting and face are clear. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then now comes the magic part. Let's type a prompt. Before, I already prepared one prompt like this. Like this. You can copy my prompt exactly or just feel free to tweak your prompt as you like. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini and then paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. Okay, like this, just look at this. That's so insane. It perfectly captures the eerie, elegant Wednesday Addams moods. The mist, the lighting, even the hand detail looks so real. You can tweak small details in the prompt if you want to best result. But these versions, I think absolute perfection for Halloween or a cozy aesthetic edit. And okay, that's how you can create the Wednesday spotlight effects using Gemini's Nano Banana tool. It's super easy, right? Okay, just try this out. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.